How would you guys feel if you guys would work your entire life and then in just a couple of weeks, everything it is that you have worked for, everything it is that you have saved, due to not your actions, but your leader's actions, the money that you have saved for your entire life is now worth nearly 40% less than what it was last month. Let's talk about the Russian ruble, right? I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you guys learned something new. Because of the SWIFT blockage, right? So how is it that you can stop a billionaire, if possibly a trillionaire, right? Putin is considered to be, because of him being private, we don't know exactly, one of the wealthiest people in the world, right? With that being said, how do you restrict someone so powerful? Well, their currency is called the Russian ruble, right? And in a way, in order to really influence them, to kind of hold back, there was this financial blockage that was put over the weekend in an effort to really restrict the transactions that can go in and out of Russia. With that being said, using this little trend line tool, from mid-February to the overall bottom, we could see that this thing has dropped over 36% in less than 1 month. Imagine that, losing 36% in just 1 month. I really hope that this can motivate Putin to I'm sure we can all agree, right? Not only do we want our markets to recover, but just seeing like how insane the war is already in just the first couple of days, right? As of right now, when it comes down to the overall NASDAQ market, it looks like we're somewhat trading sideways. We're still definitely not indicating signs of a recovery. But due to this blockage, due to seeing the influence that it's having on the Russian ruble and hopefully really motivating Putin to come to agreement with Ukraine, I really hope that this can put things into fruition for a resolution. I'm sure that that's not only what all the people want, of course, on both sides, but of course, hopefully something that Putin can work towards. With that being said, today was pretty much a sideways day for most of the market, but a quick little update on TQQQ. This thing ended up 4.78% on the day. And again, looking a little bit closer on the 1 hour time frame, one thing that I do want to make you guys aware of is that we are approaching that same resistance level right around $53. This is something that I talked about with my Learn Plan Profit group is let's not get too excited if we end up getting rejected at that same resistance level. Today, you might have felt like you missed out because some of the stocks pushed up today. I would hate for you to buy in at these overbought levels and then based off of previous patterns, it just gets rejected back down again to $50 when it comes down to TQQQ, and then you end up having to take a loss, right? As of right now, direction is still choppy, direction is still unclear. The market is not necessarily recovering or showing any indication of a recovery. We're still below that same resistance level. Let's set our alerts. Let's be proactive. Let's not be scared. Let's be selective. And I'm super excited to follow up. I really, really hope that this can put things, in process for just Russia to be able to come up with a solution or a resolution between Russia and Ukraine. I'm sure that's something that we are all definitely looking forward to. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I'm excited for our live trading session tomorrow. If you guys want to join us, it should be a lot of fun. And that's going to be that second link down below. If you guys have any questions, especially if you're an absolute beginner and you need help and or you want help, that's going to be that first link in the description. That's my free Discord group. And you're welcome to direct message me at any time. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that I earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.